In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags to Shopify products. By the end, you'll confidently add tags to any product in your Shopify admin so you can organize your catalog and make filtering and searches faster. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and go to Products. Click it to open your product list. Next, click the product you want to edit. This takes you into the product details page where you can update information for that specific item. On the right side, find Tags. You'll see a field labeled Tags in the sidebar of the product editor. This is where you'll add the words that help identify and group this product. Click inside the Tags field to activate it. You'll see a cursor appear, ready for typing. Now type a tag. For example, you could use summer, sale, or new. They keep each tag short and descriptive so it's easy to filter by later. Press enter to add each tag. As you press enter, the tag will appear as a small label in the field. That confirms it's been added correctly. Repeat for multiple tags. Type the next tag, press enter, and continue until you've added everything you need. You can include as many relevant tags as make sense for your store's organization and filtering. If you pause, you can click back into the field and continue adding more. Once that's done, click Save. You'll find the Save button at the top or bottom of the product page. Click it to apply your changes. This step is important. Your tags are not stored until you save. At this point, the product now includes the tags you entered, and those tags are saved in Shopify. You can return to your products list to repeat the same process for other items, or use filters in your admin to group products by the tags you just added. Everything should reflect immediately after saving, so if you go back to the product later, you'll see the tags listed on the right side under the tags field. That's all you need to do. You logged in, opened products, selected the product, found the tags section on the right, clicked into the field, typed your tags, pressed enter to add each one, repeated for all the tags you wanted, and clicked save. These tags will now help you manage your catalog more efficiently and keep your product organization consistent across your store. Your Shopify product tags are now added and saved successfully. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, I'd subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.